Hello, I'm Steve Wolfe, and I'm here to introduce a new watch company, and that's WOLFE Watches. WOLFE Watches has been a dream of mine for many, many years. I've been in the watch business since 1999, and since then I've had many watch companies come to me for advice. So now, with your help, we get to launch one exciting watch company. Our first line of WOLFE watches can be described as a dress rugged. First model will be 10 ATM, automatic movement. These watches also have dual crown protection. Even the black numbers are super luminova. These watches will not only be a great value right now, which they will, but also in the future as our watch company grows and grows and grows with your help. The first production model, which these are, will go up in value. Each watch will be individually numbered. Before we get into the production video, I want to thank each and every person for your help. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much.